store discussion for August 1 last MMM meeting. Attendees Darian, Jessica, and Ryan. Day off Marinel. Warehouse store delivery schedule is August 7, 2025. Warehouse request inventory. TIT Premium Cotton Ladies Red XL to XL and 3XL. TIT Raglan Fort Maroon Small to 3XL. TIT Bomber Jacket Khaki Small. Items for allocation. New item natin, yung product is called drinkwares polymer. Code niya is 2-13-3-1.
Ang dami.
Material polymer. Colors mo na siya. Colors. Ang process nito is wood siya. Stainless drinkware. Code 2-51-10-214. Material is thickness. Colors many. Website. Sa new pages is volleyball page. New update course of the central. Browse with your design. ROM, Save Reply, Fabric, Banner, Sintraport, and Chocolate. Audit, wala. OLM, sa SP is Bundle Shirt, PYD Print, sa TIT Product. Ads and Promise, wala. And then, sa Treasury, may complaint doon. Bale, 4 yung nag-complain na customer. Bad service, no firm decisions. No quotations update, no proper contact on process, and bad service on rude yung
Yung
sales.
sales naman.
I learned that kailangan i-update si customer agad pag may problema. Give customer proper way of selling. Dapat i-update ang office.
Para
Lalo
hindi
na
ito,
pag rush ito, be kind tayo dahil nasa
store.
selling style.
So, dapat be good.
Tapos wala tayong MIS visual and HR audit. Garments and consumable posting every Thursday. Ang assigned person dito ay si Marinel and Darian. Yun na.